Hey guys, Adam here at DirectionTrader.com. Let's go over the trades taken today in the live trading room. Today is the 27th of August. We took quite a few crude trades today for still being like the last week of summer. It was relatively quite a few crude trades. So let's get started by blowing this up and show what we were talking about in the pre-market routine, guys. If we give a little bit more time here, I'll go back 30 days and show you a little bit more of why we found the area we were looking for today and how we were able to take advantage of it moving forward. So as we blow up here, I'll take 30 days, 1 hour charts, and you will see clearly on the longer time frame, we are getting up near resistance. There is a chop of resistance through here that's been tested once and twice here in the last 30 days. So as we were opening up the room this morning, I was saying, hey guys, we're opening up inside of this trading zone, this resistance area that's been held over the last month or so. So what were we doing? Ideally looking for shorting opportunities. So getting that out of the way, I wanted to go over here and hone in. Now that we know that we're looking for shorts, we wanted to hone in on our smaller time frame. This here is a 233 tick chart. That's the trading time frame I like to use. It's easy for me to see, easy for me to manage. I use a 15-minute anchor chart to find my major support and resistance areas, and then I hone in on a 233 chart to actually find entry and exit points. As the market, pre-market here, this came just after 6 o'clock this morning. The resistance came up and touched it almost exactly, guys. This high was a test of the resistance. So nicely, we got a nice pullback off of it. As you see here, we never really got any big pullbacks on this little push up. We finally got a pullback, guys. You can look down here and see on the momentum indicator, we finally got a pullback. Sellers came into the market finally as a bounce off that previous high. I took first short opportunity. As an advanced trading strategy, I have two of them here. You're going to see an advanced and a beginner here. Advanced, I was able to take 5 ticks off, guys. 5 ticks per contract off, get a trail stop out, and then the market started trading back up. Now, as we started trading back up, I kept talking about an article I wrote about a week ago talking about crude and how crude is kind of a head fake market. It's kind of a fake out, breakout market. So whenever this market broke up, I was having individuals in the room ask me if I'm going to buy here above these highs. I said, no, I'm going to wait for the fake out, breakout. If it would have continued on up and up and up, I would have went ahead and continued to trade to the upside. But I said, no, we're still in this resistance area that comes across here, and I just wanted to wait. Sure enough, we got this sell-off finally. Head fake above the resistance. What I wait for? Market to trade back inside. I took a short. I ended up taking a 12-tick stop on this just in time for the market to roll over again. And as it rolled over, what did I do, guys? I only wanted to short this. We're at major resistance over the last month. I only was looking for shorts today. I shorted again, had another nice profitable winner. What happened? Pulled back up, gave us another good push. This good pushes is what I'm looking for. Look down here at the momentum, guys. You can see these good pushes and how convincing they are to the downside. They're really, really good pushes to the downside. So what I do? I shorted again. I shorted one more time, got another nice little pop to the downside for another little profit. So then we were back to sitting on hands because we couldn't break lows. At that point, we couldn't break any lows, so really we had nothing to do but kind of sit on hands. That's what we did. We sat on hands, we waited. Sure enough, did I freak out whenever this broke out above these highs? Did I panic when we broke these highs? Nope. What'd I do? Head fake, guys. Fake out, breakout. What I wait for? I waited for it to come back inside with good volume. See all this selling momentum? We had good momentum to the downside. I shorted again. I got a nice 15 ticks or 12 ticks in my direction, enough to drag my stop down to entry. I got a break even there. And then we got another really nice sell-off here, guys. Another really nice sell-off. I pulled back to previous resistance, becomes new support, new resistance. Shorted this. I took 1 tick out of this, guys, because I got flashed out. We moved just enough for me to do my entry +1 As you can see here, we spiked right up, stopped me out to the tick just before reaching final targets. So that's it for this morning on crude. You see what we were trying to do though. All this was set up from our pre-market routine where we brought up the longer time frame anchor chart. In this case, we used a 15-minute, and a 1 hour for our anchor chart, and we found this major area that was coming across here, guys. We found a major area coming across here that's been used as resistance in the past 30 days. So we knew right out of the gate, I want to be real cautious about any type of long trades, guys, because we can see some momentum getting weak here. We can see some sellers coming in the market, and as you can see, I went short once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. Moving forward. 5 times and 6 times. 6 shorts today in the crude, guys. That's actually quite a bit for me in one market. But once you get things set up, get things cruising, you know, that can happen, especially getting into the fall here. So volume's getting ready to pick up. Live trading room is getting ready to pick up. So if you're interested in how I do this, come take a trial at directiontrader.com. If you're a member, I will see you back in the live trading room in the morning. Have a good afternoon.